In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload an Excel file to ChatGPT in just a few simple steps. This is really useful if you want ChatGPT to analyze spreadsheet data, summarize rows and columns, find patterns, explain formulas, or even help you turn numbers into insights faster. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open ChatGPT in your browser or on your app. Once you're on the main screen, look for the plus button, usually near the message box. This is the button you'll use to add a file to your chat. Go ahead and click the plus icon, then choose the Attach or Upload File option. After that, a file picker will open on your device. Now select your Excel file from your computer. ChatGPT supports common spreadsheet formats like .xlsx and .xls, so choose the file you want to work with and upload it. Once the file is attached, wait for it to finish loading completely before typing your request. This part is important because ChatGPT needs the file available in the chat before it can analyze it properly. Now comes the fun part. You can type exactly what you want ChatGPT to do with the spreadsheet. For example, you can say, "Analyze this data, create a summary, or make charts or insights." You can also be more specific and ask questions like, "Identify the top performing product, summarize monthly sales trends, or tell me what stands out in this data set." The clearer your prompt, the better the results you'll get. If your file has many rows, you can ask ChatGPT to break the information down into sections, compare columns, or highlight unusual entries. If you want a business-style result, ask for a report. If you want something visual, ask for insights or chart suggestions. And if you need help understanding formulas, you can ask ChatGPT to explain them in simple terms. Another helpful tip is to keep your question focused. For example, instead of asking something broad like, "What does this file say?" try asking, "What are the key trends in this sales sheet from January to March?" That gives ChatGPT a better direction and usually produces a much more accurate response. Once ChatGPT gives you the answer, you can keep the conversation going by asking follow-up questions, requesting a shorter summary, or even asking it to compare different tabs if your Excel file has multiple sheets. That makes it a powerful way to work with spreadsheet data without manually digging through everything yourself. So to quickly recap, open ChatGPT, click the plus button, upload your Excel file, and then ask ChatGPT exactly what you want it to do with the data. It's a simple process, but it can save you a huge amount of time. If this tutorial helped, please remember to like the video and subscribe for more easy guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.